Thank you. Thank you. A moment ago, Coach Rio was asking if people are excited. I am very excited. I'll make sure to show the photos to my wife so I can buy more shoes in a parallel. Good afternoon, everyone. First, let me thank the Philippine Marathon Majors team. And of course, Coach Rio, a true icon in the running community, for making today possible. We are honored to be standing here with all of you as partners in what is truly historic moment, not only Philippine sports, not only for Philippine sports, but also for elevating our country, showcasing the world our capabilities, and more importantly, culture. When we decided to sponsor the Philippine Marathon Majors 2026, we knew we weren't just signing up for a series of races. Di lang po takbuhan. We were committing to a lifestyle, a movement, and a community through partnering with the best of the best, Coach Rio and team. Running is about discipline, preparation, and perseverance. It's about pushing through challenges to reach the finish line. And in many ways, that's the same journey we want to inspire in every Filipino when it comes to achieving financial independence. By officially partnering with the Philippine Marathon Majors, we are making a statement. We believe in this community, we believe in this energy and resilience, and we want to be part of every step of the journey, both on the road and in life. Just like running, preparing for life's uncertainties requires the right tools, the right mindset, and the right support. Yet for too long, insurance in the Philippines has been seen as complicated, expensive, and reserved for a few. Today, only about 1.86% of our population has coverage, and we want to be changing that. At Singlife, our mission is to change that, to democratize insurance by making it simple, accessible, and rewarding for everyone. Through the Singlife app, you can buy, manage, and grow your protection and investments anytime, anywhere. Without paperwork, no hidden fees, long processes, and insurance is just the start of what is possible in the Singlife app. It's an app designed to achieve financial independence for for the Filipinos of today. So to us, this partnership isn't just about having our name in the banner. No, it's not just about that. It's about giving something tangible back to the runners who inspire us. Every registered runner, this hasn't happened before, every registered runner in the Philippine Marathon Majors will receive complimentary insurance coverage from Singlife. So protection that starts even before race day. Bago pa magtakbuhan. Right? That means the runners are covered during training and leading up to the event, giving them peace of mind as they prepare. Right? But the protection also doesn't end at the finish line. We will also be giving out Singlife credits. These are digital credits you can use to pay for insurance premiums or top up your existing Singlife plans. Right? So tumakbo lang, kumita pa. Right? Right? So this will be available for all participants without discrimination, with special rewards for podium finishers. So yung mga tatapos ng podium, may special pa. So aside from insurance, Singlife aims to promote healthy living and lifestyle, and this partnership does exactly that. Singlife has its own small but growing active squad. So we're building a community and we want to continue to build this community both in the local and international scene. That's why Coach mentioned that we want to activate and get together as well the international Pinoy runners, who are always striving for a better way. This is the first of its kind partnership in Philippine running, where every participant is not only part of a major sporting event, but also takes home a step toward financial independence. We believe this is how sports partnerships should be: meaningful, impactful, and lasting. In addition, today's partnership is more than just running. It's an opportunity to exemplify the Philippines. Philippines is a major player in sports, tourism, travel, and most importantly, culture. Right? And I know this is deeply aligned with Coach Rio and team. Right? And again, to the Philippine Marathon Majors and Coach Rio, thank you. Thank you very much for this partnership. I would also like to acknowledge all our friends from the community and media supporting us. Thank you for the insights. Thank you for the fun that you bring in this running community. We hope that we can all continue working together as we make history. Setting records, achieving milestones, and building financial independence. And with that, Philippine Marathon Majors, Sing Life, Run Rio, we want to welcome you all in this evening. Thank you very much.